So I open an image in my Windows computer, and this video we discuss some of the image shortcuts in this Windows computer. So I make a right side click on my mouse, and here comes plenty of options: save as, print, etc. And closer to that you can see the shortcuts. That is, if you want to save the image, then you must use the Control S. That is, you must press this Control key and S key, these two keys at the same time. And suppose if you want to print the image, then you can use the shortcut, that is Control P. You must press this Control key and P key, these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that is going to print. Then the shortcut to copy is the Control C. That is, you must press this Control key and C key, these two keys at the same time for copying. And suppose if you want to copy as a path, then you must use the Control Shift C. That is, you must press this Control key, Shift key and C key, these three keys at the same time. Control key, Shift key and C key, you press these three keys at the same time. And then the next is the, if you want to share, then you can use the shortcut Alt App. That is, you must use this Alt key and up arrow key, these two keys. Then the next one is, if you want to start as a slideshow, then you can use the F5 key in your keyboard. So you must use this to start the slideshow. Then you can also see some of the file info. If you want to check the file info, you must press this Alt key and Enter key. So if you press the Alt key and Enter key, these two keys at the same time, then you can see all the information about the if this image comes here. Then the next shortcut is set as. That is, if you want to set this image as a lock screen, then you must press this Control key and L key. So I must press this Control key and L key at the same time. Also, if you want to set this as a background, then you must press this Control key and B key at the same time. That is, if you press the Control key and B key at the same time. Similarly, you can if you want to simply add this to favorite, you must simply press the L key, and if you want to show the film strip, then you must simply press the F key. You can see that the film strip comes here. Obviously, I'll see for more videos. Subscribe. Thank you.